Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. Today I will share an easy, quick, and healthy home-cooked recipe for a late dinner time, which can be done in 5 minutes. Have some red radish. Remove both ends and slice. Red radish is a red or scarlet globe-shaped root vegetable. Good source of vitamin C and folate that helps in the development of red blood cells. They help reduce risk for diabetes. Radishes have anti-diabetic properties. Better liver function. The nutritional properties of radish can help support liver functioning. Anti-cancer properties. Radishes are a cancer-fighting food. Treats anemia. Helps in constipation. Good source of potassium and magnesium. Helps in losing weight. Anti-cancer properties. Cardiovascular improvement. Boosts immune system. Cucumbers, although referred to as a vegetable, is actually a fruit. Cucumbers have a high water content and can help contribute to overall hydration and digestion. They also contain high amounts of vitamins and antioxidants and are pretty low calorie. We need 1 piece of red onion. Onion are rich in antioxidants, such as quercetin, anthocyanins, and sulfur compounds, which help combat harmful free radicals and inflammation in the body. Subscribe, hit the notification bell for you to always be updated. What are your views? Write us in the comment. Add some salad topping with Italian flavors and some drops of olive oil. Then mix carefully. 3 ingredients, but so powerful that boost your immune system. This recipe is good for those who comes late at night dinner. For those you want to lose weight but no time for gym and workout. I hope you enjoy and learn today's recipe. And I hope to see you to my next video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. Have a happy, healthy meal.